So this video is all about showing you how to slice an apple using your knife. So a lot of us use an apple core to slice an apple just for snacking, but it's a really good skill to be able to chop up an apple using your knife when we're using apples in different kinds of recipes and things like that. Also, using your knife for simple tasks like chopping an apple really helps you get practice with your knife and helps you have more confidence in your chopping skills. So when we're cutting an apple, we're going to slice around the core. So we're going to make 4 slices around the core rather than going directly through the center of the apple. Be sure to tuck your fingertips in so you don't cut yourself. And you can see we get really close to the core there, so we get as much of the edible part of the apple as we really can. And then we're just going to slice these bigger chunks into smaller pieces, into whatever size piece you need. So I'm just cutting them into slices here. If you get any seeds, like we have in this piece, you're just going to cut them out, being careful not to cut towards your hand. We want to cut away from them. And then that's really it. And from here, you can chop up the apple in as small, as small pieces as you need for whatever you're using it for. And that's it.